Hello and welcome to this video on how to log in into JMMB finance accounts. If you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. After that, you need to go to the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar and use tab to type JMMB finance login and press enter. And the first search result there is login. So you just have to click on the first search result and the login portal will be open. And now you just need to enter your login account, and after that you need to enter your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can just click on the forgot your password that is on the right side of login button, and you will be able to retrieve the password. And when you have retrieved the password, just fill in the details that they are back, that is login account and password. And when you have entered it, you can just click on the login button and you will be able to log in into JMMB finance accounts. This you can easily log in into JMMB finance accounts. If this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.